welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, also known as Certified Winner, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these super cute cloud nails. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, hello, welcome, it's nice to meet you. Feel free to like this video and subscribe down below. I release videos every single Wednesday and I would hate for you to miss out. If this is not your first time seeing my face, hello, welcome back. It's good to see ya. So if you guys don't already know, I am a very, very big nail art fan. I used to do it at home as kind of a hobby a lot, especially around grade school. But as I got older, I just kind of got busier with things and I ended up starting to go to salons. But because of quarantine, obviously we cannot go to salons, and even though they're now reopened, I've just noticed my nails have been so much healthier if I do them at home. So I always post my nail art on my Instagram stories, and I've had a couple of people ask me whether or not I would do a tutorial on them. So I figured today was the day I am going to do a nail art tutorial for you guys. So the tutorial I'm teaching you guys how to do today is this cloudy nail art. Obviously these two are the ones with clouds in it and the rest are just plainly painted. I am going to be teaching you guys how to do this nail art with the tools that you already have at home. This includes a sponge, a Q-tip, and a bobby pin. Most people do have those in their home, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is use a base coat. You can use any base coat you happen to have. I'm just using LA Girl's Nail Reconstructing Treatment Base Coat, but like I said, any base coat will do. Paint a nice thin even layer across all 5 of your nails and let it dry fully before painting the first color coat. For the nail art we are doing today, I am using China Glaze's Chalk Me Up. I think it's a beautiful sky blue color that it's not too dark but also not too pastel either. First, we're going to paint our pinky, pointer, and thumb a solid blue. Next, I'm going to take my small cutout section of a sponge. I literally just bought Dollarama sponges and cut out a little rectangle. And we're going to paint a solid strip of blue on this sponge and literally dab it onto our fingers to create the ombre effect. You're probably going to have to repeat this dabbing process 2 to 3 times, meaning 2 to 3 coats before it's opaque enough that it looks nice. As we're waiting for the ring finger and the middle finger to dry, I'm just going in and painting the pinky, pointer, and thumbnail with my second coat of blue polish. After doing a couple of coats on each of my nails to get the desired opacity, I am going to go in with some nail polish remover just to remove any of the polish that is seeped outside of my nails while I was sponging on my ring and middle finger. I am going to be using my size 4 dotting tool, but if you do not have a dotting tool, this is where the bobby pin comes in. So you can use the round end of a bobby pin to make these exact same dots. To make these fluffy looking clouds, I'm just connecting 5 dots. I'm putting 2 on top and 3 on the bottom. Right here, I'm just using Revlon's Extra Life No Chip Top Coat, but you can use whatever top coat you happen to have lying around. And there we have it, some really cute ombre cloudy nails. And that's pretty much it. Super simple, right? All you guys need is a sponge, a bobby pin, and a Q-tip. I hope you guys enjoyed my very first nail art tutorial. Let me know if you guys actually like it. Maybe I'll do some more of them. Until then, feel free to like this video and subscribe down below. I release videos every single Wednesday, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye!